Yeah, hi, I'm Paul, that's paularch.com. A little while ago we had a family demise and therefore we were travelling down to the New Forest on a regular basis to attend funerals and all those things. Pretty sad time, but I took my son Lewis down with me at one point, so there's two of us in the car. And we were having a good old chat about things really, and he just passed his driving test. And I said to Lewis, I said, look, would you be willing to make this journey on your own? And he said, yeah, Dad, I would do. I said, but I need to have a sat-nav. I said, okay, well, why is that? I've got a sat-nav. He said, well, because that way it's a whole lot easier for me to do the journey. I wouldn't need to think about the journey because it's all displayed on a screen for me. And I thought, well, he's absolutely right. And I said to him, what about a map, Lewis? Can you read a map? He said, oh, no, Dad. He said, it's so last century, Dad. So anyway, I went silent at this point. We drifted into silence. And I got thinking about sat-navs and coaching. Because back in the day, I would have got a paper map or at least a Microsoft Autoroute or something back in the 90s, which was a program which had mapping. And you'd open up the program and you'd map out your route, you'd think it through, you'd look at the towns and the various places, landmarks that you were going to arrive at. So you thought through the journey effectively. So when you did do the journey itself, you had the map on the passenger seat, which you checked on occasions, but you were much more alert. You saw the signs, the signals, the directions, and you arrived safely, of course, with the map on your passenger seat. That's how it used to be done. And I got thinking about coaching because that's what coaching does. A good coach will ask great questions to let the coachee or the client think through their goal, think through their problem, think through their challenges. Good coaches will ask a series of questions to help the coachee to think it all through in exactly the same way as the map process used to do. And by thinking it through, you have a better understanding of the goal and the avenues in which you want to explore to achieve that goal. And that kind of made me think really that we have sat-navs now which tend to destroy the map reading process. And if you do automate stuff too quickly, of course, it can avoid the coaching. And I said to Lewis, I said at one point, I said, what happens if the sat-nav breaks down? What do you do? And I suddenly thought, hold on, I didn't have a map in the car. I relied so much on sat-nav. So the next stop at the garage, I bought myself a £2.99 AA Route Master map and put it in the boot of the car. I haven't used it since, but it's there in case you need it. Hey, lesson for you about coaching. Paul at paularch.com. Bye.